All right, so this entire room is slab, so the walls are all slab. And what happens first is there's a layout that the stone fabricator puts together based on the floor plans. So if we look at this first layout here, and we specifically focus on this pattern, if you look behind me, that exact pattern starts right here. And you can see where we have a slab section this way, a seam, and then slab running this way. And this is what's called a book match, this pattern right here. So it's as if you open a book and it's book matched. And then you essentially head into the shower. So one of the things we're working on right now is we've installed a template on the wall here. And the reason we have the template is we want to identify where we're going to cut a hole. So the tub is right here, and the plumbing fixture is going to extend outside the wall. And so you can see this template shows us exactly where we're going to cut for the plumbing. We take this template off, we put it on the slab, and we go ahead and drill for our plumbing. And we do the same thing for, we have a TV box out here, and then we have a switch over here also. So again, we template so that when we can take this template, place it on a slab, and then cut accordingly. So really, really important, couple of really important things just to go over again. We have our slab layout, so we know exactly where each piece is being placed. This is, for example, a shampoo niche, and we'll have a template for this, and this is the inside of the shampoo niche. Then we go ahead and template for the areas where we're going to have holes. We're going to cut those, and then we go ahead and install the slabs per plan. So a lot of people don't know this, but the slab fabricator actually provides this drawing for on-site installation. That's the scoop on slab walls.